Hello friends, welcome on my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Today I have a Note 20 Ultra. The back glass is cracked, as you can see. I will replace with the I bought the original one. Everything is on it already. Inside is the flash. All this side is not have a glue, but in this area I have a glue. I will put the all sides. I will show you how you can put and replace your back glass for Note 20 Ultra very quickly and easy. Let's start. First I will give heat all over the edges, all around the edges, all sides. After heat, I will choose this tool, his blade. First I will go around from here. Mostly I'm using this thinner, is very helpful. Then other tools for me. Yeah, go slowly, don't need a rush. But if there is broken part, just carefully from there. Just this area little bit left. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe channel. You can see the easily removed. Yeah, the back glass is removed, broken one. Yeah, sometime you have you don't have this camera covers on the some back covers when you bought from somewhere, then you need to this remove from here, from old broken one to the put on the new one. Just give heat all in this area, and after then remove from there little bit. Yeah, just now. And you can see it's easily removed, but if you will give heat nicely, then easily removed. And take out from there old one and put the new one same like this. Yes, you remove. It's not hard. I already had, that's why I show you. Yeah, now I will put I've clean first edges. First I will clean edges nicely from all sides. After clean all edges, I cleaned one sticky tape was here. Now I will put new sticky tape. I'm not putting on the phone, I will put on the back glass. It's very easy for me, easier than if I will put it there. If you like, you can put there as on the phone. Yeah, it's done. And peel of paper. It's easy for me if I will put sticky tape on the back of the glass. Sometimes people put on the phone first and after put the, but I'm feeling good in this. If it's okay, it depend on you. If you're feeling good on same like me, you can put, or you can put on the phone as well. Remove. All is done. Now just put on the right place and press from the edges. That's it. Your job is done. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.